Hello, Mr. C here. I want to show you how to measure using this protractor. Now, you will notice that right here where my mouse is, that's the vertices or the vertex. And then you can also notice when I put that line right up next to it. And the bottom line, the baseline, I'm sitting right on this base line right here. So the base of the protractor is going right there, and then I stick it there, and then I left click. Now I can let go. So you'll notice that the line is at the vertex. This line is right on this baseline, and now I can measure. But here's what you need to think about. When you look at this, if it's opening from the right-hand side, okay, from this side, this line is 0. So you have to find where is 0 on here. If I go here, it's 160, 170. This would be 180. So we really are going to go right here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So right here is our 0. So we're going to be on the inside going that way. All right, so when we look at this, see if I can zoom it in a little bit so you can see just a little bit better. Now you can see right here where I went 10, 20, it is on the 30. What is the other angle over here? 150. Well, if I add that 150 angle and this little 30 angle, what would I come up with? 180 degrees. And since those two join together and they make 180 degrees, that's called a supplementary angle. Okay. So here we are. This angle here is 30. So on this, you would just type in 30 and say, okay. Now we have one that's going to open from the left to the right. So I still have to put that line right at that vertex and put the bottom line right on that base. So right on the vertex with this line, this thing right on the base, left click, and I have to figure out which way I'm going. So this side's going to be 0. We were on the inside, but if we go inside here, it's 160, 170, 180. We got to start at 0. So we're going to go around the top. And when we get to the top, what do we have? 140. So you just put in 140. And that is it. That is all you have to do. You guys should be able to handle this pretty easy. You guys be good. Remember, I'm the meanest teacher in all the land.